The role of Niagara Welland, Ontario in stunt driving charges. Niagara and Welland in Ontario are recognized for their stringent traffic enforcement, particularly in relation to stunt driving offences. And these offences could include exceeding the speed limit by 50 kilometers or more on a highway or 40 kilometers or more on local streets. And Niagara has major arteries and highways that run through it, and local streets such as Niagara Street and Prince Charles Drive. And these are common for areas for stunt driving charges due to their wide layouts. So why are stunt driving charges in the Welland Niagara area stressful? Facing a stunt driving charge in Niagara Welland, it can introduce a range of daunting obstacles. For example, the car impound for 14 days. Many of the people charged are not local to Niagara. So if your vehicle is impounded, you may have to travel a considerable distance to retrieve it after a 14-day period. This means actually returning to the impound lot to collect the car. Your license suspension for 30 days. After your license is suspended and your vehicle is towed, you now have to arrange for transportation back home from Niagara, and this could be expensive and a complex affair because consider the cost of hiring an Uber or a rental car. Court appearances. Opting to attend court requires travel to Welland, which can be time-consuming and often challenging. Are Niagara's prosecutors stricter regarding stunt driving charges? In regions with high instances of stunt driving like Welland, prosecutors might enforce stricter measures to advocate for safer roads. So after validation of the evidence, such as the radar, the prosecutor will then have substantial leeway in their approach. And this may involve setting legal precedents or making examples out of individuals charged with stunt driving. So it's key to remember that the penalties for stunt driving are intended as deterrence to discourage you and the public from similar offenses. So what's the optimal strategy for handling stunt driving charges in Welland? Seek professional legal help. I say it every time, especially if you're an outsider hiring a law firm with expertise in handling stunt driving charges in Ontario, it could be beneficial to you because the main objective of hiring someone is to protect your driving rights and devise a strategy to ensure that you continue driving legally.